Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Leo. Leo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay, what's happening? Okay, so Leo people, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. Queen of Cups, that's your current energy, Leo. Oh, the Moon. So we have Queen of Cups. This is your current energy. Leo, I feel that most of you people are feeling emotional right now. Okay, this could be for any reason. Okay, maybe you are feeling loved by a person. Okay, or maybe you are feeling, you are feeling respect full by a person, or maybe they are treating you well. Okay, something is there which is making you so emotional right now, Leo, and this is the cup. You have this cup. Maybe this person, I mean your person must have given you this cup. Okay, that okay, I really adore you, or they must have told you so many good lines. Okay, like I love you, or I adore you, or I want you, or I need you, or so many other stuffs. Okay, so this is the cup which your person has given you. Okay, and it's you who is sitting on your throne. Okay, and plus you are not doing anything. You are just being into you are just being so emotional. You are just seeing this cup. You are not doing anything right now, and you just want to hold this cup as as tightly as you can. You do not want to you don't want this cup to fall down on floor. Okay, so you are being very calm right now. You are being very emotional right now. You are being very um, I mean, even though whatever you are feeling on emotional part, your full focus is on this cup only. It means that Leo people, I feel that you have put your 100% focus towards your person. Okay, you are not thinking, and you do not want to think about any other person right now. Okay, you just want to think about them. You just want to feel them. You just want to repeat every single line whatever they had told you in past, or whatever they are telling you now. Okay, now we have Moon. The Moon, this is your person's current energy. Leo people, I feel this person is hiding something from you. This person is definitely hiding something from you. It could be anything. It could be anything. For some of you, I feel that this person wants to start something new. Maybe that's the thing which they are hiding from you. Maybe they want to give you some surprise, or I feel that this person is already in relationship with somebody else. Okay, this person is hiding this thing from you. I mean, I don't know. Something is there which is hiding, which they are hiding from you. They do not want to let you know about that. Maybe they feel, I feel this person is a player. Leo, this person is a player. because see, they have given you this cup. Now you are completely focused in this cup. Okay, your complete focus is I mean, you are completely obsessed about them. Okay, you are just seeing this cup, you are not doing anything. Maybe this person is player. Yes, this person is player. They must be in relationship with so many other people and people at the same time. And they are not playing with your emotions only, they are playing with emotions of so many people. I feel this person is player. Something is there which they are hiding from you. Okay, now let's see how you see them. Okay, and how they see you. How they see you. Queen of Pentacles. Leo, I feel this person is trying to manipulate you. Okay, because from this card I feel, I mean, you see them as somebody who has everything in life. Maybe they have best to best, lifestyle, or they must have best to best material things in their home. Okay, they are they are blessed to have lot of abundance and prosperity in their life. Okay, but they are projecting themselves as somebody who is, who has no one to share their heart, who has nobody to share their emotions, to share their concerns. Okay, they show you always that, oh, I'm so alone, I have nobody to share my feelings with. I mean, what to do, what should I do, where should I go, to whom I should talk, or this or that, and blah blah blah. So they must be talking you, or they must be telling you all those stuffs. Okay, that thing is really making you, feeling, I mean, you must be feeling that, oh my god, this person, really adores me, this person really likes me, this person really want me. Okay, but that's not the case. That is not the case. This person has everything in life, mind it. Okay, and you also know that this person has everything in life, but the thing which you don't know is that this person is player. They are player, they are cheating on you, they are projecting them, they are playing as a victim. Okay, in front of you, that I did so much of this or that thing with for this person or that person. Now people are ditching me, or people ditched me in past, or people cheated on me. I have no one, I have nobody to share my emotions. Okay, so that's how you see them. You don't know about their true intention, but you see them as somebody who has, you know who has a lot of abundance into their life, but when it comes to emotion, they have no one. Okay, now let's see what your person feels about you. Knight of Wands. Your person is a player, Leo. You are completely obsessed about them, and they know that. They know that you are completely obsessed about them. Okay, and they also know this fact that the moment they will call you, you are going to run towards them as fast as you can. Okay, this is a card of action. The moment they'll call you, you are immediately, you'll run towards them without thinking anything. Okay, so they feel that you are the uh, you I mean, even though your emotions for them are true, but their intentions towards you are not true. Okay, remember that. But they see you as somebody who is always ready to take action towards them. Okay, if in future, if in future they'll ask, or if both of you wants to start something new, the moment they'll say one line, you'll be ready, you'll be ready to commit, you'll be ready to marry, you'll be ready to do anything for them. So that's how they see you. That's how they see you. Okay, now let's see how you see this relationship. How you see this relationship. Okay. King of Wands. Okay. You see this relationship as King of Wands in reverse. You see this relationship is not moving anywhere. Okay, maybe they must have talked you so nicely and so sweetly. They must have told you so many, cheesy lines. Okay, but when it comes to starting something in this relationship, there is a hold back. It's okay, they must be talking to you nice, they must be respecting you right now, but whenever you feel that where this relationship is heading, where this relationship is going, the moment you start asking them this question, they just this relationship is not taking you anywhere. Okay, this relationship, they are not interested to take any action in this relationship, even though you don't know, but eventually you will also get to know that this person is just talking sweetly with me, but when it comes to take action, they always ditch me, or ignore me, or manipulate me. Okay, so with this King of Wands, they are not interested in in taking any action towards you, because they are player. Why would they start something new? Why would they be in a committed relationship? Okay, so when it comes to relationship, okay, you feel that this relationship was on hold. Yeah, this relationship is on hold. Okay, you feel that nothing is happening in this relationship. They must be talking to you over text, they must be calling you once in a while to say that, hey honey, I love you, and this and that, and blah blah blah, so many cheesy lines. But when it comes to take action, they'll be, oh my god, I should take action, oh my god, I'm so busy, oh my god, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, I have so many reasons. Okay, so in terms of action, there is nothing happening in this relationship. Okay, that you also know, but you are into you are like in their obsession. Okay, which that's why you are ignoring this thing. Okay, now your person feels about you, your person sees this relationship as Chariot. Your person is acting like a prince. Okay, and you are acting, or you are just doing whatever they are asking you to do. If they want to talk to you, they can make a call to you anytime. But when it comes to you, they never answer your call. It could be for some of you, not for all of you, but they must not be answering your call, they must not be answering your text messages. Okay, but when it comes to them, you immediately answer their text message, you immediately answer their calls. Okay, so they are just manipulating you, they are just uh, they are just leading this relationship the way they want. Okay, they are not concerned about your feelings, they are not concerned about your love and emotions, they are simply don't care about it. Okay. Okay, now let's see what is going to be the future potential. What's going to be the future potential of this relationship? My personal opinion would be that, Aries, please be aware of such people in life, and please run and move out. What's going to be the future potential? Did I say Aries? I'm really sorry if I said so. This reading is for Leo. So Leo, future potential of this relationship is telling me that ultimately this person has no plans to be in this relationship with you. Okay, believe me, because this person is very money minded. When it comes to money, they don't listen to anybody else. They don't listen, or they don't see, or they don't value any emotion, any tear, any sweet talk, or any, any other soft emotions of the other person. Okay, because this person is very money minded, very money minded. And in future also, if they'll find a rich person than you, they will ditch you. They will ditch you without giving a second thought. Maybe they are with you right now just for your money thing, just for your material things. Okay. Okay. So Aries, I feel that some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Queen of Cups. And yes, and we have Pisces in this reading with this Moon card. We have Cancer in this reading with this Chariot. We have Earth sign in this reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Queen of Wands and Queen of Pentacles and Four of Pentacles. Okay. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this King of Wands reverse and Knight of Wands. Okay. Okay. Okay, Leo people, so that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.